Hi guys, today we're gonna make a craft stick Cobra leaf, and to build that we need to use Jumbo's Popsicles. To build our Cobra leaf we need to use popsicles, these Jumbo Popsicle sticks. We have a box of 200 here, and we have a bunch of other boxes, and then we have all these extra ones. This is pretty simple. So you start with two pieces here. This one goes on the bottom, and then this one goes on top. After that, you put another part, third one, under this, the one that's on the bottom, and on top of the one that's on the top. Hold it down, and you have to put another one under your one that's already on the bottom. They started off with an X. After that, you keep going on like this, and then you put one under whichever ones that you have first here, and then you keep doing that until you have it as long as you want. If I let go of this, everything's gonna break, and all the way until there, unless I put this right here. Unless I put that right there. If I keep it there, it's gonna stop it, and it won't go to the entire thing and break. Okay, so I'm done with the entire thing. I only have one more piece left, and so I just had to lock this, because if I let this go, it's all gonna break. I have to put it under this piece and under the piece right here. Just kind of stuck there. Finally, take these things off. This is super long, and here's how you start it. You have to hold this down, and then you let this piece go right here. Pull it off, and then